Notice this meter on your car? It monitors and notifies you about your engine temperature. Ever had a thought about how a refrigerator or a microwave oven measures and control the temperature inside? Or ever noticed a furnace in your machineries functioning with precise temperature control? All these things measures and controls temperature with the help of a sensor called a thermocouple. In this video, we are going to learn about a thermocouple and how it works. Welcome to Mr. Smart. Serving knowledge to make you smart. In 1821, a German physicist, Mr. Thomas Johann Seebeck, investigated and found a phenomenon that occurs due to temperature difference. He took two different metals and made a junction on their both end. When the junction is introduced to two different temperature, a small potential difference is developed between them. This potential difference is directly proportional to the temperature change between the two ends. This phenomenon is named as Seebeck's effect after its founder. A thermocouple is a temperature measurement sensor that works based on Seebeck's effect. Wants to know about what a sensor is? Watch our previous video. Link is in description. Typically, one end of the thermocouple is introduced to environment whose temperature to be measured, such as our car engine. This area formed the hot junction, and the other end that is not exposed to that area and kept at constant room temperature forms a cold junction. The potential difference developed due to Seebeck's effect is amplified and sent to external devices for monitoring and control. Hope you are clear with what a thermocouple is and how it works. Subscribe and like Mr. Smart if you love the content. Comment for content improvement. Thanks for watching.